Hello beautiful people, welcome to my vlog. And today, my friends and I are going to White Beach. So it's been weeks na hindi ako lumalabas. Cause, saan naman tayo pupunta, di ba?
And also, yung mga friends ko, they're always busy. Some are working, some are already in school. So wala akong maalaya.
Yeah. So ngayon, thankfully, nag-meet naman yung schedule nung isa kong friend, which is si Travis, because meron siyang work, summer job at the moment. And kasama ko siya dati. Pero, nag-resign ako guys, so I can have my pahinga because I already have school ng July. So, yeah, let's get ready. I'm just gonna comb my hair. And then we're going to dry it afterwards. Parang at least medyo tuyo na siya. Mabilis natin siya madadry. Because my hair dryer is maingay. Yeah, I'm also wearing already my beach top. I've been really wanting to vlog like nung high school pa. Kasi I really want to like share stories and do yappings sa camera. But then, I just know that I don't have the time, like, edit my videos and all of that. And at the same time, sa school naman, phones aren't allowed. So, nag-vlog ako doon, diba? And most of the time naman sa school lang din talaga ako. But how I wish kapag-vlog ako nung nasa school to capture memories and like store them lang sa YouTube. Anyway, now we're going on to our powder. I'm just using this one. We're not going to use foundation kasi guys, sobrang init sa labas. But parang yun ang mukha ko dito, pero hindi naman siya in person. So, don't judge me guys. Now this is better. I look better now here. Where should I put na? Ayan! Ganyan pala. That pala pag ganun yung light. Parang iba yung talaga yung mukha ko sa mirror. Iba din yung mukha ko dyan. Anyway, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo lang ang nakikita ko. Eh di wow. And now we are going to put lipstick na.
2 hours later.
Now we're finally done. This is the look. Naggalit siya sa akin.
Alam mo ba, lagi ko nakakalimutan. Binili ko to nung gift ko yan sa'yo para sa debut mo. Hindi. Alam ko na nakalimutan. Nakapunta ka na dito.
22 na ako, hindi ko pa nakukuha.
Kaya seryoso sa'yo yan.
Totoo ba?
Oo, gagawin mo. Ganyan pa siya.
May 25 na ako, may anak na ako at asawa.
Okay, good. Shoutout sa friend namin hindi sumama. Bawal magmura. So, papahimik na lang ako. Kasi wala akong ibang maisip. Parang pag nagpop-up ka sa utak ko, ang naiisip.
Guys, kasi nag-state duty daw siya ngayon.
Hindi kami naniniwala.
Hindi kami naniniwala.
Bitch.
Kasi siya yun eh, ba't kami maniniwala sa
Tinatamad ka lang.